Lexi, where are you? Oh, you're going to eat their food too? I put you in there to play with the puppies. They're bigger now. They're bigger now. Oh, you think you're too big now to play with them? Lexi, no biting their heads. You wait, they're gonna bite yours. They're gonna bite yours, Lexi. No biting heads. No biting heads. What you doing sitting there between your mama's back legs, buddy? What you doing just sitting there? Hey, sweetie. Was Lexi showing you how to play with toys? Oh, somebody pee-peed on the pads. Oh, Mr. Package is pee-peed. Good boy. Good boy. Think your name's gonna be Carter. Good boy, pee-peeing on the pad. That's a big pee-pee spot, buddy. Still sitting there. Is that comfortable right there? Where are you, Lydia? You're under Mama. Oh, you're going to come out with your buddy, with your brother, and get between Mama's back legs. There you are. Got a white spot on your nose now. Oh, what is that, like a special little place, guys? Brady, who's that? It's not yours, Brady. You trying to sniff him? That's Dylan's babies.